Hello and welcome to Monster Transmission. Today we are at our new facility and we're going to give you a quick tour through the whole process. So you're going to see from start to finish. So let's go inside, take a look around, and you can see what we got going on. First off on the tour is our product specialist room. This is where all the agents sit and they take your calls live Monday through Friday, 9 to 6 p.m. to help you find the transmission you need for your application. All right, second stop is our core department. We're here in our core warehouse where obviously you can see there are cores stacked all the way up to the ceiling. And right now I'm standing in front of our 6L80 core. This is our #1 selling transmission. It's the most popular transmission really out there right now. And we build it to all different levels. But most importantly, we got to make sure that we have a steady inventory to make sure we can keep up with supply. Not only clients' cores, but we have core suppliers that we've been working with for over 20 years. And why it's important to do that, make sure you have good relationships, is you want good quality cores. And those are hard to find. All right, now we're here in our core inspection process. Once you get your order placed with your product specialist, we're gonna pull that core that matches up perfectly to your application. It comes over to our teardown and inspection table. It's gonna be completely torn down and go through the inspection process, then go to our clean and prep process. All right, next up, after your inspection process, it's gonna be washed, prepped, and ready for paint. And we're gonna make sure it's gonna be one of those vibrant, awesome monster colors that you love. All right, now we're in front of the build line. Okay, so after you go through teardown inspection, wash, paint, comes over to the build line and gets all the good parts that you wanted for your specific application that are gonna match up exactly to what you need. So any high performance components, upgraded clutches, steels, bands, all that good stuff is gonna be added to the build and put into the build line ready from one of our expert builders. All right, we're standing here in front of one of our builders' benches. We just happened to come across a pretty cool build that's being processed right now. This build is a 700 R4 going into a 63 Impala with a 350 engine. Obviously not the original transmission. He's upgraded to the 4-speed with lockup, get better gas mileage. Plus, this is a street monster, so it's gonna handle higher horsepower, torque, all that good stuff. All right, what's the most important thing about building a transmission? Making sure it works properly, right? So we are standing in front of our Mustang dyno. Every one of our transmissions is dyno tested and approved with a dyno sheet provided in every one of our orders. So when you get one of our transmissions, check your package. You got a dyno sheet on there, verify